Hey, it's Phil from Contemplative Chaos, and thanks for tuning in.
We're going camping.
Okay, let's start again.
A goofy monster.
Hey, it's Phil from Contemplative Chaos, and thanks for... Hey, it's Phil from Contemplative Chaos, and thanks for tuning in to our channel. Benny, you stop.
A googly monster.
Hey, it's Phil from Contemplative Chaos, and thanks for tuning into my channel about parent-child bonding through shared activities. Today, I am going to start a fire without lifting a finger. Okay, let's get started. Annalise, you're going to grab the largest logs over there and start stacking them like this, like railroad tracks opposing, okay?
Sure.
Put them in the fire pit.
Sure, Dad. Today
I want you to grab...
Googly Monster Show.
Okay, here, watch out, buddy. You're goofy.
Help your sister out. It's Googly Monster. Today we're doing Googly Monster Show.
Mega, grab the red needles there. The sticks with the needles on them.
The red ones. Can you hold that, please? The red ones.
Yep. The red ones. Red ones. Red and orange. Red and orange. Those. Perfect. No, Celia. Yep. And put them inside of there. Okay, Fissy, you're gonna grab the sticks and put them inside the middle of the log cabin, okay?
Okay.
Right on top of the needles.
Daddy, I'm gonna like
Googly
Monster Show.
Benny, you know what you can do? You can grab some leaves, okay? Grab some leaves.
I'm gonna be funny. I'm gonna say, what do Googly Monster
You're funny, huh?
What do Googly? I take it behind you.
What's he doing there?
He was playing in the mud and now he has to use it.
Now, Annalise, you can take your lighter and light it right there on the dry needles.
I have a stick.
Benny, she's trying to light a fire.
Under.
Oh, smoky.
There we go. That's well. Daddy, don't talk like a baby then. Daddy, Dad, I thought you said we were gonna start a fire without lifting a finger.
I did. I didn't lift a finger.
Haha, you're right, Dad.
Benny, what are you doing?
I'm forcing you.
Ow, that hurts. Ow, ow, ow. And that is how you start a fire without lifting a finger. All you have to do now is get some food, beverages, and enjoy the flames. Okay, thanks for watching this episode of Contemplative Chaos. Tune in next time for another chaotic family adventure.
Don't forget to hit subscribe. Nailed it! Daddy, this is spicy.
Where is it?
That milk out.
I will, but not this second, okay? Because Daddy's gonna eat his food.
a hammock.